Is Puppy Town app really an easy way to get a new iPhone or an easy way to get cash, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael and many viewers have asked me about this app and I decided to join it and test it myself, and in this Puppy Town app review I'll give you an inside look and reveal all the important details, and there are some very important untold details you definitely need to know about before investing any time inside this app. I have just opened the app now, pulled it up on my screen, because let's just get straight to it and talk about how it potentially can earn. So what you need to do is to pull these different like dogs together or puppies together, and then they will grow into new breeds, but they don't always match, so you kind of have to test a little bit when they will work and when they will not, and then you can get new ones, so you can earn more of these. You see these kennels, so you can get room for more, and the more space you get or the more points you get and higher level you will get, the more you will earn, and the higher level dogs you can get, and you can earn all these points, and then you potentially can win. You see now I unlocked a new puppy, so you will need to then sit and pull these together there, and there's a new one at the bottom that is created that you can pull there to pull them together. You see, then you can do that one there, and I level up, I unlock a new kennel, and that's how you're supposed to do a quite addictive game, but also a little bit frustrating and annoying in my opinion, but that's kind of how it does. Then it has other options. You see you can get 2 times there, but then you have your double money. It will last for 2 hours, but you have to watch an ad, and that's how many of these things are. You get these ads popping up all the time, and that goes for many of the options. There's also a shop you can see, so you can get a mystery box, and if you want to get that, then you need to again watch an ad. That's what it means there. So there's a lot of these ads, and that's how the app makes money, which is fair enough, but many of the ads are just like really spammy in my opinion for really poor apps. But that's, you know, that's something you need to be aware of if you decide to join it, which I would recommend you to really wait a little bit with until you watch the rest of this, because this is of course fun and everything, or you know, I don't know if it's actually fun, it's a little bit annoying, but it's easy anyway. So if you could actually really earn great prizes, then of course why not do it once in a while. But the important thing is then, can you actually get paid? So let's talk a little bit about that. So I now finally managed to get to the payout section, because the thing is that when you just are inside the app there, you just play and you get these annoying ads all the time, but there's not an option to go to a cash out section where you can get information about how you can get your earnings. But you get quite a lot of notifications on your phone, which is a little bit annoying, but that's also one of them was this claim your free iPhone kind of notification. And then I got to this page where you can see my supposed ways of winning. I can see my price there, how close I am to collect these little puzzles or spin there. I can spin, you see, get a lucky puzzle or get a piece of the puzzle and win like iPhones and other great prizes, and sometimes even cash. But what you have to ask yourself is also like it's just not realistic rewards that they will give you a new iPhone or like a huge amount of cash just by doing this, because they are clearly making money from the ads, which is fair enough. But the problem is that you need to collect these pieces of puzzles, as you can see, to potentially win, and it has nothing really to do with the game that you're playing, so it's not really connected. This is another thing. So what are you playing for? You might just play and think like, oh, but I can take out my earnings, but there's not a cash out option as such in the game. This is a separate one where I have to collect these pieces of the puzzles, so it becomes very clear that they're just trying to confuse you and get you to spend as much time as possible and watch as many ads as possible, because they will then earn. And since you then have to collect this puzzle to get like a free iPhone potentially, then you can just maybe collect a lot of them, but you will always miss one piece and never really be able to get it. And that's one thing that's very important to understand, that this app is not going to pay you, because the whole idea of it is to get you to watch as many ads as possible so they can earn. But they will not let you pay. There's so many red flags. They do not as such have a cash as option. The game is just a little bit silly and an unrealistic way to earn, and the ads you see are for many spammy apps in my opinion. And then this bubble game that you can't really find, or puzzle game, and you need to collect pieces of a puzzle, and of course you will not win an iPhone by doing that, and you can keep attempting for months and you will never get the full puzzle, so you will never really win, but they will have earned a lot from the ads you have watched. So this is just something to be aware of. It is a complete waste of time, to make it completely clear. To sum it all up, Puppy Town at first looks like a very easy way to earn some great money and potentially really great prizes, but it just doesn't make sense. There's not such a way to cash out, and this iPhone option is not really connected to the game, and it's just like silly. And I've seen many apps like this and none of them ever pay. They're meant to just get you to watch a lot of ads and promise you these great prizes and make it look like super easy way to earn, but they're not really planning to pay you, but you will help them earn, and I would not recommend doing that. If you want to earn by playing games, there are legit apps that offer that. I also have a video about that. I will leave it below. You can check that out. That will require a little bit more effort, but at least they do pay, and the games are actually more fun in my opinion anyway. So just to make it completely clear, in my opinion and experience, Puppy Town is an app you should just stay away from. And I hope this video helped you figure out exactly what it offers and what to be aware of, because this is something you need to definitely consider before joining and wasting your time. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.